Hey everyone, Miss Kady. I'm bringing you a super easy recipe that you can try at home if you have these ingredients. My daughter Una and my daughter Nia are going to help us today. Una's going to tell us what we need, and so is Nia.
We need 2 cups of frozen pineapples, 4 ounces of pineapple juice, and a big scoop of ice cream.
And we're going to add all those ingredients into a blender. Any blender is fine. I should say, before you do this, please make sure you have adult supervision, okay? That's very important. So today we're going to add them into the blender. You can go ahead and add the ice cream in. Ooh, yeah, there you go. Good job. Then, go ahead and add these in. Two cups of pineapples, frozen pineapples. Here.
Is that working?
4 ounces of pineapple juice.
I want to pour that.
Then, scooch back just a little bit. Thank you. I'm going to slow blend it. It's looking good. And Miss Malloy, thank you for this awesome idea. She passed us on the Dole whip recipe. Okay, great. Now all of the pineapples and the ice cream and the pineapple juice have been blended up into a sweet, yummy pineapple dessert. Super easy. In our house, we are lactose free. So we use lactose-free ice cream, but you can use any ice cream that you'd like. All right, let's see what you two think. Try this. What do you think? What do you think? Thumbs up? What do you think?
I like it.
You like it? Awesome. Thanks for joining us, and remember, have adult supervision. All you need is 3 ingredients. Have fun.